How to contact Uber customer service. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Google Chrome or your Google browser and then search for Uber customer service. Simply tap on Uber help and over here select the problem category you are facing. If it is with riders, tap on riders and search for the problem over here, and you will also be able to report in many sections as well, like bikes and scooters, merchants and restaurants, Uber Eats, driving and delivering, and many more. So contacting customer service in Uber is quite simple. You just have to go to the website help.uber.com. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.